Good morning, children. Let us learn about the remaining part of the lesson, the world of animal. Today we have learned the life cycle of frog, the life cycle of fish, and life cycle of amphibians. Okay, amphibians and life cycle of reptiles. Okay, children, amphibians is the frog. Okay, yeah. What is reproduction? What is reproduction? The process by which living things produce young ones like themselves. Young ones like themselves is known as the reproduction. The reproductions are different types. First one, oviparous. Oviparous and viviparous. Oviparous and viviparous animals. Oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Example for the oviparous animals are birds. Birds are hen. Birds also hen. Reptiles. Example for the reptiles. Reptiles meaning ஊர்ந்து போகல ஊர்வனே தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் reptiles. Example for the reptiles are lizard, garden lizard and snake. Reptiles and amphibians. What is the meaning of amphibians? Both live in land and water. It is live on land and water. Example for the frog. The amphibians example frog. Reptiles for the examples lizard and snakes. Birds are all birds. Okay, yeah, hen also. What is the oviparous? Animals that lay eggs to reproduce. Animals that lay eggs to reproduce. Is known as what ma oviparous animal. Animals only lay the egg. Egg lendu adukku new generation varum. Adha vandu enna and animals enna solluvom oviparous animal. Next one, viviparous animal. Viviparous animals are birth to young ones. It reproduce the birth to young ones. Young ones is known as the what ma viviparous animal. The example for the viviparous animals are all the mammals. What is the mammals? Giving birth to young one to feed the milks. குட்டி போட்டு பால் கொடுக்குற animals என்ன சொல்லுவோம் இந்த mammal. Examples of all the mammals are what animal? Viviparous. What type of reproduction? Viviparous method. Okay, yeah. The example for the mammals are dog, cat, lion or etc. or human also mammals. Okay, children. Next one, what is life cycle? What is life cycle? A life cycle is a process that involves all the development all the developmental stages of living beings. The life cycle is what is life cycle? A life cycle is a process that involves all the development stages of living beings. Living beings have many stages. Some for the reptiles, some for the amphibians, some for the reptiles and birds also. Many stages. Life cycle have many stages in the all the animals. Okay, children. First you learn the life cycle of. Already we have learned in the last class life cycles of bird. Hen padichittom. Next today we have learned in the life cycle of first you learn amphibians and amphibians, reptiles and fish. Okay, yeah. First one is life cycle of amphibians. Bracket frog. The amphibians live both land and water. Living both land and water is known as the enaduma amphibians. First one, the frog. The female frog lays large number of egg. First stage is the what stage? Egg. Lay the egg. Next to develop in the another stage is tadpole larva. This one egg, this one second stage tadpole. Tadpole larval stage, okay, larva, tadpole larva. Next one stage is the froglet. Last stage is adult, adult frog. Okay, children, first one, in frogs the female, in frogs the female lay the eggs, lay the large number of eggs. One eggs no, many large number, lay the large number of eggs. Large number of eggs in water. Which side? It is lay the eggs in water. Catch next lay the egg. Each eggs are catches into the tadpole. Each eggs are catches into the tadpole. In the tadpole, which has a long, which has a what tail ma? Which has tail is the long, which has long tail, has a long tail. It breathes through the gills. That respiratory organ is gills for the tadpole. Tadpole or larva respiratory organ what ma? Gills. It breathes through gills. This is the second stage. The tadpole grows into young frog. The tadpole grows into young frog or froglet. And one name is frog or froglet. Young frog or froglet. And the became an adult frog. And the become an adult frog. Becomes an adult frog. During this process, next point, during this process, the froglet has loses its tails and gills. Loses its tail and gills. Gills and develops lungs to and develops lungs to breathe on land. Breathe on land. In the land the frog breathe in the lungs. And the skin valiyavum pannum. In the moisture skin valiyavum enna pannum? It is respiration. Take place in the respiration. First, listen, in frog the female lay the large number of eggs in a water. Each exor catches into the tadpole. Which gaseous what tail is the long tail. It breathes through the gills. The respiratory organ is the gills. The tadpole is used to breathing the gills. Breathe through gills. The tadpoles grows into the young frog or froglet. This name is the young frog or froglet. This one இப்படி சொல்லலாம் young frogனு சொல்லலாம் young frogனு சொல்லலாம் frogletனு சொல்லலாம் froglet. Okay, the froglet and the begins on adult frog. எப்படி மாறுது adult frog மாறுது. Okay, during this process the froglet loses the tail. tail வந்து என்ன செய்யும் லாஸ்ட்ல என்ன லாஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ்ல loses the tail and gills. அது in the waterல which organ used for respiration? Respiratory organ is gills. Okay, and the gills இதாகிறது. Next in the tail also losses and it develops into the lungs in the adult frog. The adult frog எது develops ஆகுது? Develop of the lungs. Okay, to breathe on the land. In the land region la frog வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்? Breathe through the lungs. Okay children, first stage is the egg. Next the frog egg lay பண்ணுது. திருப்பி tadpole வரும். Next froglet. Next come to the adult. இப்படி rotation என்ன பண்ணும்? Life cycle change பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். சரியா children? Okay Next one, life cycle of fish. Next one, life cycle of fish. Life cycle of fish. First fish lay the water in the egg. Water in the egg. What is this ma? This one egg. Next catches in the larva. Next stage fry stage, fry. That stage is Stellan fry. Fry. Next one, juvenile stage. Next one, juvenile stage, small fish. Next stage, adult fish. Adult fish. This one gills. The respiratory organ of the fish is the gills. Pectoral fin, pelvic fin. This also scales also develop. Okay, first stage is the This one, what ma? Egg. Lay the egg for the fish. Next develop into the larva stage. This stage is fry. This stage is what stage ma? Fry. Small fish is young one is juvenile stage. Juvenile stage. Last one adult fish. Last stage is adult fish. This is the life cycle of fish. Okay, Amma? Okay, children. First point, a female fish lays a large number of eggs. Lays a large number of eggs. Eggs at a time in a water. ஒரே டைம்ல large number lay the large number of eggs at time a water. After laying the egg, eggs the catches into என்ன ஆகுதுமா? What come? Larva. Next come to fry, next come to juvenile stage, last come to the adult fish. Laying the eggs, the mother fish leaves them. The eggs catch into the larva. Catch into the inner stage ma larva, and then develops to small fish called fry, and then develops to small fish called fry. This stage is the what stage ma? In the fry stage. Okay, yeah. The fry undergo developmental stages. The fry undergo developmental stages. Developmental changes into the what stage ma? To become a juvenile stage. To become juvenile. Juvenile. Juvenile stage. Okay, yeah. The juvenile finally turns into an adult fish. The juvenile changes into adult fish. First listen ma, the female fish lays the large number of eggs at a time of water. ஒரு டைம்ல என்ன போடும்? It is lay the large number of eggs. After laying the eggs, the mother fish leaves them. முட்டை போட்டுட்டு என்ன பண்ணிடும்? Fish mother fish leaves them. போயிடும். The young catches into the larva. The young catches into the what stage? Larval stage, and then develop into small fish is known as the fry. Small fish name is fry. The fry is developed into undergo developmental changes to become juvenile. The juvenile stage is finally adult changes into the adult fish. Okay, ma. Next one, life cycle of reptiles. Life cycle of reptiles. The examples for the reptiles are turtles, lizards, and snakes, lay the eggs in the hole of ground. Lay the eggs hole in the ground. Go in the any other region, okay? The ground or burrow, any other places for the turtles and lizards and snakes lay eggs hole in the ground. These eggs are protected by hard cells. These eggs are protected by the hard cells. By the hard cells. SKTLLS. Hard cells. Okay, yeah. After they come out of the cells, the catchling. Come out of the cells and catchling. Catchling to go to the river or seas. To go to the river or seas. To grow into adult. The oviparous animals such as hen, next in the hen, turtle, lizards or snakes are. First one, the hen and fish are. Hen and fish, the young ones strong resembles to the parent. Okay, the young one strong resembles to the parent. That take care பண்ணுது. The young ones. Young cow has a strong resembles to the parent. அப்பயமா to the parent. கென்னும் பிசும். Parent. Frog and butterfly, the young do not look like their parents. Okay, yeah. Frog and butterfly. Young frog and butterfly. Okay, yeah. Frog and butterfly do not. Butterfly, the young ones do not. Young ones do not look like parent. Do not look like parent. Look like their parents. Okay, children. Hen fish வந்து the egg is the strong and கொஞ்சம் resembles இந்த take care பண்ணும். ஆனா frog butterfly young ones வந்து do not look like their parents. Okay, children. Thank you, ma.